Hi everyone, this is a new video from Smart Cars. It's about faulty inverter error codes. So in hybrid cars there's an inverter that converts DC power to AC to run the electric motor, and this is very important for its function. Please try this fix before you replace the inverter because it will cost you a lot of money. Inverters are very close to the engine and to the air intake, so they accumulate a lot of dust and debris and will get really dirty, as you can see in the picture here, which makes the electric connections for them get really dirty, and the cables will disconnect and not supply electricity to the inverter, which makes them shoot a lot of error codes about faulty inverters, and most people just run to replace them. As you can see in the picture, this is the ground cable to the left of the inverter. It gets really dirty, and without the ground connection it will not function properly. So just clean up the ground cable with WD-40 and connect it again, and start your car, and then run it for a while, like 10 miles or so, and the error code should clear. Let me know how it goes, and please like, share, and subscribe for future videos.